Good afternoon, this is Colton with Bill Brothers Roofing and Solar doing a digital roof inspection here out in the Ramona area for a homeowner that is looking to sell the property. We do these inspections to kind of outline the current condition of the roof and any sensitive areas and how much life expectancy we expect to get out of this roof. We like to start on the eaves of the roof. The eaves are the overhang. Right here we can see the plywood right here, starter board, and then you can see the rafters and the fascia board right here. Those make up the eaves of the roof. That's where you can kind of see the most amount of wood damage or wood rot. Not really seeing any active termites. Board still appears to be in good shape, could use a paint job. This is a drip edge metal. This diverts water off of the fascia board. Then you have your starter shingle right here, and this is our architectural asphalt shingle roof. Getting up on the roof right now. It's a green color. What happens to this tile roof when it reaches the end of its life expectancy is it actually starts to dehydrate and the granules will start to fluff off and you start to see a bunch of fiberglass kind of showing through. This roof, you're not really seeing any fiberglass, and this is the south facing roof side, maybe a little bit on the south facing shingles right there, right? But overall, the shingles themselves are still in relatively good condition. A little bit of cracking in the center of them. That just happens on the southern facing side just because it gets a little bit more sun. But ridge caps are all still in good shape. The one thing I will point out is there's a pretty big crack here in the chimney. I probably want to get this looked at by a masonry guy. That is separate from roofing, but the counterflashing is in good shape. And then additionally, we see on the rest of the house, we can see some penetration pipes that are still sealed. We see ridge caps in place. We see a California Valley where you have the bigger roof plane overlapping onto the smaller roof plane. The shingle stagger is good. We do like to see about 6 inches between shingle stagger. That's what I can see right there. The roof was installed good. I don't see any stretching of the shingle, and the stagger looks good, and there's only one layer of asphalt shingle on this roof. Solar on the house is all the way in the back on a ground mount. But this roof with proper maintenance, resealing the penetrations every 3 to 4 years, you're definitely going to get at least 10 years of more life out of this roof. It was installed well, and the shingles still have life. So yes, definitely 10 plus years of life still left in this roof. So go ahead and pass on this report to the homeowner, and we'll go from there. Thank you.